Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigator and this is today's market update for August 24, 2020. If you look at the SPY daily chart, you can see that this morning the market it gap up and then they pull back to retest where they break out and then be able to close it at the end of the day with the all-time high. So technically the chart is still bullish at the price is still above moving average, above the trend line. The market is still in the uptrend, so we'll continue to buy the dip until they revert. So if you are a day trader, you can see that in the morning when the market is open, so they slam it down, we're able to guide our member to take a first short from the top here right into the line that we already raw before the market open. They come down here and then they found a support. He shoot back up right into the sell zone and then they slam it down, they go sideways until the end of the day, and then they break out the down trend line and then take another shot and make an all-time high. So I'll be able to jump in here and take a quick trade here to get some daily income for myself at $1,266. So if you have been following me on the weekly market forecast, you look at some of the chart like DSI that the home builder they still doing very well, and TOL, that the toll weather, that another home builder, they with a high demand. So it seems like they're doing very well right now. And couple stock like McDonald is still doing very well. And Visa also try to find a way to put it upside. Alright, so this is all I have for you for today. So if you are not a member, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will inform you so you know where the market heading to. And if you would like to learn more how to trade, how to understand financial market, how to make some extra daily income, as well as build your long-term portfolio for the swing trade, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We will see you on the next video.